Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. In this video, I want to show you uPassive, and I want to tell you exactly why you should not waste your money buying this product. I'm going to do that by showing you a headline and a screenshot that has already been used on another product that is the exact same product that uPassive is, just this has been rebranded to sell it again. uPassive creates up to 4 passive income streams for us every single day. Anybody can do this. Simply scroll down here past the countdown timer that does nothing, past the $67 per month, and now get it for a one-time fee, and past the are you frustrated, the emotional triggers, and exactly how this is so hard and why you can't do it and why you need to purchase this product, and the fact that traffic is the hardest part, and I wouldn't disagree. Traffic is the hardest part. Here's a look at the supposedly game-changing software that I'm going to show you here in a second is just a rebrand and a relaunch to take your money once again. 3 simple clicks, and they're going to tell you everything that this game-changing epic free software will do and tell you about how your time is precious. All you need to do is click these buttons using this software and how you will get mind-blowing results just like they did from our uPassive pages. Check out the screenshot. Simply right-click on this, search Google for image. That's going to take you to Google. It's going to search for the image, and you're going to scroll down here, and you're going to see that this image was included in Beast Funnels, Set and Forget, 5-minute profits. And the thing I want to focus on here is Set and Forget. And then I want to go over to WarriorPlus, where this product is being launched. This is the vendor, Brendan Mace. Scroll down, and what you're looking for is the product called, of course, there's Beast Funnels, but Set and Forget. Right here, open up Set and Forget, builds up to 4 passive income streams for us every single day. Anybody can do this. That is correct. uPassive creates up to 4 passive income streams for us every single day. Anybody can do this. It is the exact same product, just rebranded. Of course, here you can actually purchase it for $67 a month or a one-time fee. If you click here, you can see that they've actually applied a coupon and they're not charging $67 a month. You can still purchase this for $6.93 well after the launch has closed. Back to Set and Forget. Again, the exact same emotional triggers here on this page that you see on the uPassive page. And again, the software that is a game changer. And of course, the mind-blowing results from just a few of our Set and Forget pages. Here's the screenshot of the money that's been made using Set and Forget. Here's that screenshot again. 1,053 clicks, total earnings $4,521.93. 1,053 clicks, your earnings $4,521.93, 207 sales. Take a really close look at that first image that's highlighted there, the green tree as well, the little yellow plus sign, and then the little purple smiley looking face. Go to a review from an awesome channel called School of Nomads for Set and Forget. Take a look at the interface of Set and Forget. It is the exact same interface, just a different color and been rebranded, and it creates the exact same campaigns that you see here again, where it talks about how long would it take you to create your own system like this from scratch. The real answer is it wouldn't take that long. This simply builds landing pages or squeeze pages, and you can do that with any landing page builder out there or squeeze page builder. You can even do it with Groove pages from Groove Funnels, 100% for free. And that's it. Hard pass on uPassive. Ignore this product. It is a money grab. You do not need it. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. 30-minute timer right here. Click the timer, subscribe to the channel, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.